Lord, thank you for your grace and mercy that woke us up this morning and allow us to see a brand new day. Please shower us with your abundant blessings and favor. We thank you and praise you in advance for your divine blood covering over us and our loved ones. In your precious name, amen.